Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and here's the 15 steps uh, to go through for you to be able to post your first your first contents on your website, your WordPress website. And it's a really simple and straightforward, so you can just follow along step by step, and you can get to know how to post with videos, with image, and then with the editing contents for your WordPress without coding, without writing any difficult codes, and then it's easy to learn. Just follow along till the end. So here we go. The tutorial will be guided and voiced over by Artificial Intelligent text-to-speech technology that I created for you guys with American English, so it will be straightforward and easy to understand for you. Let's go.
In this video tutorial, we are going to see an overview of complete WordPress dashboard, step by step. So let's get started. So now log into your WordPress dashboard. On left we can see all its panel options. First we have Dashboard, Home, Updates. Then we have Posts, and inside we have All Posts, Add New, Categories, Tags. Then we have Media, and inside we have Library, Add New. Then we have Pages, and inside we have All Pages, Add New. Then we have Comments. After that, Appearance, and inside we have Themes, Customize, Widgets, Menus, Background, Theme Editor. Then we have Plugins, and inside we have Installed Plugins, Add New, Plugin Editor. Then we have Users, and inside we have All Users, Add New, Profile. After that, Tools, and inside we have Available Tools, Import, Export, Site Health, Export Personal Data, Erase Personal Data. Then we have Settings, inside we have General, Writing, Reading, Discussion, Media, Permalinks, Privacy. Next is Loginizer Security, and at last we have Collapse menu. Click it to collapse, and again click it to reopen. On top right, we have Profile panel. Here you can see your name, edit profile, and log out. Also we have screen options. Click on it and screen elements will open. Screen elements can be shown or hidden by using these checkboxes. Select these checkboxes to show or hide those screen elements like this. Now close screen options by clicking on it. So this is an overview of WordPress dashboard. Clearing out WordPress dummy content. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how you can clear out WordPress dummy content step by step. So let's get started. So here we are on WordPress dashboard, and here we have one post, one comment, and one page. Now go to Posts and select All Posts. Here we can see all posts, with title. From here you can edit your post or move it to trash. Click on Trash and then select Trash from here. From here select Delete permanently. Now go to Pages, and here you can see all the pages. You can select individual pages or select all at once. Select All by checking Title box and select Move to Trash from bulk action and click on Apply button. Now select Trash and again select All and Delete permanently from bulk actions, and click on Empty Trash button. Now go to Comments, and here we can see that it's already empty. Similarly check Posts and Pages, and they both are empty. So this is how you can clear WordPress dummy content. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at WordPress post and page editors, step by step. So let's get started. On your WordPress dashboard, we have both options, pages and posts. First select posts and inside we have all posts, add new, categories, tags. Also with add new button on top, click on it. Here you need to first enter post title, then below post content. On right, we have categories option, then tags and featured image. Next for pages we have all pages, add new. Select add new and here you first need to add new page title and below page content. From right, you can publish it or save as draft. Below we gave page attributes to set its order and then featured image. Go back to post and select add new. Here you need to first enter post title, then below enter your high quality article. Then select category or check on categorized, insert tags and then featured image. Once done, publish your post from publish button. From here, you can set date to publish. Enter date, year, time and click OK. Once done, open this permalink to see how your post will look like. Now for pages, select add new. Here also enter your page title, and below it, enter your page content. You can see that your page link is generated according to page title. Again from right, select when to publish your page. Enter date, year and time and click on publish. Now click on this view page to see how your page will look like. Next, this is how your post will look like, with post title in link, and with category. So this is how your post and page editors work. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at classic WordPress editor, step by step. So let's get started. So now we are on WordPress dashboard and from here select plugins. Here we have Classic Editor plugin that enables the WordPress Classic Editor with TinyMCE. Now to install it, click on Add New button on top and here search for Classic Editor in the search bar. Here the first one is the necessary plugin which is already active on our site. It is developed by WordPress Contribution and has 5 million plus active installations. Now go to Posts and select Add New. So this is how the Classic Editor will look like. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at the block WordPress editor, step by step. So let's get started. From WordPress dashboard, select Plugins. Here you can see all the installed plugins. From the list, let's deactivate Classic Editor. Now go to Posts and select Add New. Here you can see WordPress Block Editor, click on Next. Next, you make each block your own, again click Next, then get to know the block library, again click on Next and finally on Get Started button. Now here first enter your post title, choose a block, click on this plus button and select your block type, heading or quote or paragraph etc. From right panel, you can select block settings and post setting. We have post visibility, publish time and post format. Then we have permalink, categories, tags, featured image, excerpt which is optional, then discussion and its sub-options. Set everything and you can publish it from top right publish button. So this is how the block WordPress editor works. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at the Gutenberg WordPress editor templates, step by step. So let's get started. On WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and select Add New. Now search for Gutenberg in search bar and you will get all the related results. Let's install this Gutenberg from results by clicking on this Install Now button. Once done, click on this Activate button. Here on this page, we can see its video tutorials and intro video. Now go to Post and select Add New. Here on top, you will get Temporary Library button, click on it. Select Maybe Later from pop-up. Now you will get all the blocks in different categories. You can insert the one you like from here. Next we have templates, then template kits and patterns. Back on blocks, on left, we have all these different categories options for blocks. Let's select blog and insert one block from here. So it will look like this. Now click on this plus button to add block. Select the type of block you want to insert from here. Let's close it by clicking on this plus button. A little below also we have this plus button to add block. Here also you can select the type of block you want to add. And you can browse all from here. Let's select this template library. Now click on this and the full template library of blocks will open. Now insert the one you like from here. Now as you can see the selected block has been inserted over here. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at the anatomy of a block, step by step. So let's get started. From WordPress dashboard, select Add New from Posts. Here first, you need to enter your post title. Then below you can write your content or add a block via this plus button, click on it and add any type of block you want. Or you can browse all from here. Here you can see all different blocks from different categories and you can choose any one you like from here. If you want, you can search your block from the top search bar. Now click on this settings tab on top right corner and from here you can customize block settings like font size, line height, color settings, turn on drop cap that shows larger initial characters like that. Then we have advanced settings. Once done you can either publish it, save as draft or preview it. Now click on this 3 lines and here you have only one paragraph in your post. Again click on this plus icon and from here select gallery block. Now to upload media files, click on this upload button and select the pictures you want to upload. Again when you click on these 3 line icon, and you can see you have paragraph as well as gallery added in your post. Now click on this modes icon and from here you can edit or select your block. So this is the anatomy of the block. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at the columns, step by step. So let's get started. So again we start with post and select add new. Now click on this plus sign to add blocks and select browse all. From here select columns and then select the variations of your choice. Let's select this one 50/50 and here we can see 2 columns. Now in this block, you can add anything you want like gallery. For next, let's select browse all and from here select YouTube URL. Now again select this plus sign and insert columns, let's select this one. As you can see the space is divided. On left also, we repeat the same process of inserting columns. In one column, add button and you can also insert your text on button. To another column, let's add button as well and on it write anything you want. This way, you can add more columns and blocks in it. You can insert more columns into one column. So this is how the columns work. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to add blocks to build a post, step by step. So let's get started. We start with a new post and first enter your post title here. Then you can write your post content over here or insert a block. Click on this plus button and enter a paragraph. Now paste your post content over here as a paragraph. As you keep pressing enter, you will get new spaces to enter your blocks. Or you can click on this plus button and select paragraph from blocks to add new blocks in your posts. Now let's paste your content in these paragraph spaces. And once done, you can publish your post from this top publish button. Click on it and your post has been published. Now click on view post button and you can view how your post will look like. Click on edit post to edit it, and from this editor you can make more changes in your post. So this is how you can add blocks to your posts. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to add images in your posts, step by step. So let's get started. So again we start with a new post and first enter your post title. Then click on this plus button to add a block and search for image. Select image and insert it. Now you can upload images, select from media library or insert from URL. Let's select this media library and select images from here to insert. You can also set its alt text for SEO, fill out the details and click on select button. As you can see the image is inserted. So here you have more editing options. Now click on this 3 dots and you will options to duplicate, insert before, insert after, move to, edit as HTML and add to reusable blocks. Once done, click on this top right publish button. After that click on this view post button. And here you can see your full post with title and image you have inserted. So this is how you can add images to your posts. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how you can find more blocks, step by step. So let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Posts and select Add New. Now here first enter your post title. Then, click on this plus button to add blocks and then select Browse All. From here you can add blocks or patterns into your post. Select the block you like to add. Here we have blocks from every possible category. So this way you can find more blocks to add into your posts. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at the reusable blocks, step by step. So let's get started. So again we start with a new post and here enter your post title. Then, click on this plus button to add a block and select image from it. Then click on options and from the list select add to reusable blocks. From here we can upload image. On top we have Untitled Reusable Block, Copy and Option buttons to add more options. From right we can give it a name. Let's insert default image as a name. So it is updated. Now again click on Options and select Add to Reusable Blocks. Here we can see Reusable Block and Upload button to upload images. From these 6 dots, you can drag and drop it to change its position. On right we have its definition which says, create and save content to reuse across your site. Update the block and the changes apply everywhere it's used. Now again click on this plus button and this time add gallery from blocks. Again go to Options and select Add to Reusable Blocks. You can scroll from these up and down arrows to see more blocks. Now it also becomes the reusable block. In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at the WordPress site settings, step by step. So let's get started. So we are on our WordPress dashboard and here we have all the options like Posts, Media, Pages, Comments, Appearance, Plugins, Users, Tools, Settings. Inside we have General, Writing, Reading, Discussion, Media, Permalinks, Privacy. So from here you can customize site settings in WordPress. In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at the general settings, step by step. So let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings and select General. Here you need to enter your site title, tagline for this, in a few words, explain what this site is about. Then WordPress address URL, site address URL, administration email address, membership. Check this box or not to allow registration. Next is New User Default Role. From here you can select Subscriber, Contributor, Author, Editor, Administrator. Then select Site Language, your time zone, your date format, time format, select when your week starts on. You can also view documentation on date and time formatting and finally save changes. So this is how you can do your site setting in WordPress. In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at the writing settings, step by step. So let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings and select Writing. Here select your default post category, default post format, default editor for all users. Classic editor or block editor, allow users to switch editors. Yes or no. Then post via email, mail server, login name, password, default mail category, then update services, that is when you publish a new post, WordPress automatically notifies the following site update services. For more updates about this, you can see update services from here. Once done, click on Save Changes. So this is all about writing settings.